Hello everybody, it is September 3rd, 2023 and I'm out on Manistee Lake today with another motor. This one is my 1973 Johnson 20 horse. I bought this motor at Constantine AOMCI meet this summer. Bought this motor from Roger Melugin, another club member, and when I got it, it had gotten some mice in it, and the mice had chewed up all the wiring for the ignition. This is the first year for low tension magneto, and it had quite a bit of damage done to the wiring. But as you may know from previous videos, I don't care for that ignition anyway, and I just figured I would retrofit it to the universal magneto, which I have done. So this I've had a magneto plate for, I don't know, it was a late 50s, early 60s, 18 horse. It had good coils in it. This has got the light green OMC coils. I cleaned and adjusted the points that were on that magneto and put new plug wires on it. Replaced one of the condensers. It tested not so good, and I had one that was good, so I put that in there and went through the carburetor with a new OEM kit. Pressure tested the gear case, which tested okay, other than it had the pivot screw for the shift fork was a little bit loose, so it was leaking a little bit, but that's where the leak came from. All I had to do was snug that up and everything tested fine. Put new gear oil in it, put a full water pump kit in this one, so it's got a new impeller plate, a new impeller housing, and a new impeller, as well as a brand new water tube grommet. New fuel lines, and that's pretty much sums it up. So it's got the universal magneto on it now, and seems to be a really nice runner. I'm quite happy with it. So I've got it on my 1965 Alumacraft FD today, and we're out on Manistee Lake giving it a run. Beautiful morning out here today. Not too much wind yet, so unlike the last 2 days, have been quite windy. Beat most of the wind out here today. Hopefully it stays calm today, but we'll see. Anyway, let's fire this thing up and give it a run across the lake, show you how it turned out. nice idle on this motor. Reverse. Alright, let's turn you around and give you a view going the other way. Got one full tank of fuel and one probably got about 3 gallons in the other one, maybe 2.5. My toolbox and me in the boat. That'll do it on this one. Have a great Labor Day. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep the prop out of the mud.